If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can easily create PDF files from scanned images using your mobile device and the free Adobe Scan app. Alternatively, Acrobat lets you create a PDF from a scanner connected to your computer. For Windows, Acrobat supports both Twain scanner drivers and Windows Image Acquisition or WIA drivers. For Mac OS, Acrobat only supports Image Capture or ICA. To create a PDF from within Acrobat by scanning a document, first click the Create button in the title bar to open a new document tab and show the Create a PDF from any format screen in the new document view. Then click the Scanner option at the left side of the screen. The right side of the screen then changes to show the scanner options. To choose the desired scanner and driver if needed, select a scanner and/or driver from the Scanner dropdown. For scanners with both WIA and Twain support, the name of the scanner and the driver appears as separate choices in this drop-down menu. To append the scan to an existing PDF file if needed, check the Append to Existing File checkbox under the Scanner dropdown. Then use the Select a File drop-down menu that appears to select a PDF already opened in Acrobat, or click the adjacent Browse button to navigate to and select the PDF to which to append the scan. To select a scan settings preset to apply for the PDF, select an option button below the Append to Existing File checkbox. Note that older WIA drivers may only have the default settings option available. If you select the default settings option, Acrobat creates a PDF using your scanner's default settings. If desired, to apply custom scan settings, click the Gear button to the right of this option to show a page containing the individual scanner settings you can change. Customize these default settings as desired, and then click the Scan button to scan the item and save it as a PDF. Otherwise, click the Cancel button to return to the scanner page. The other preset scan settings in Acrobat may or may not be available to select, depending on the scanner driver selected. If you choose Auto Detect Color Mode, Acrobat determines the best scan settings for the document. The Black and White Document preset helps you scan text documents. The Color Document preset helps you scan documents containing both text and pictures. The Grayscale Document preset helps you scan text-based documents containing black and white images, like newspaper articles. The Color Photograph preset helps you scan full-color documents without text. To change any individual settings for a preset if needed, click the gear-shaped settings icon to the right of the preset name to make changes in the Configure Predefined Settings for screen, and then click the Scan button to finish. Alternatively, click the Cancel button to return to the scanner page. After selecting a Scan Settings preset, ensure you correctly position the paper document on the scanner bed. Then click the Scan button at the bottom of the scanner screen. Depending on your scanner settings, you may be prompted to select a scanning preset to use or prompted to scan more pages within a dialog box that appears. If prompted to scan more pages, select Scan More Pages, Scan Reverse Sides, or Scan as Complete. Your scanner scans the document, and Acrobat creates and displays a PDF of the scanned document. You can then edit the PDF further or save the PDF. Note that Acrobat does not automatically recognize every scanner. If you find you cannot scan paper documents from within Acrobat, refer to your scanner documentation for setup instructions and troubleshooting advice. Also, ensure you installed the latest scanner drivers for your computer. It may help to do a web search for answers about using Acrobat with your specific scanner model. Alternatively, you can use the Adobe Scan mobile app to scan a document using your mobile device and access that scan in Adobe Cloud when signed in using the same Adobe ID. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.